Let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated.
What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American.
All right, everyone. Today we're looking at a textbook example of a sovereign citizen showing up in court and refusing to pay his rent. This guy is running the same old sovereign citizen playbook. And honestly, he can barely manage to read what he's saying, which already tells you this is going to be entertaining. I mean, seriously, how do you walk into a courtroom, refuse to pay rent, and then act like the law doesn't apply to you? Does this guy honestly believe the judge is going to say, "Oh, you're a sovereign citizen? My mistake. You're free to leave"? Spoiler alert, that's not how the legal system works. Stick around until the end, because this judge is about to make this guy face real consequences for what he's done. Let's jump in and watch this clueless sovereign citizen try to argue his case.
Hello, this is Mr. Raleigh. I'm here on the matter. I couldn't
see
hear.
Mr. Riley, thank you for, that was gonna be my suggestion, to log out and log back in, but you did use the chat.
I am here on that matter, my honor. I am, for the record, on the record, and let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am a national, I am a Moorish American, and I have standing ancestral Mr. Moroccan Empire, the adjoining islands by inheritance, but not by purchase, Moorish pedigree. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated. I am all rights preserved and retained without prejudice or recourse. Certificate registration number AA 77869, March 25th, 1848 AD, corresponding to the Moorish calendar 1368. Copyright owner C.M. Bays. Clock of Destiny, March 25th, 48 AD. MC 1368. Certificate registration number AA209316, March 31st, 1952 AD. MC 1327. Masonry plus art, astrology, history, and geography. Clock of Destiny 2, reused edition of the previous book of Clock of Destiny, Title 22, Chapter 2, Council Courts General Information. And certificate registration number AA 222141, September 8th, 1952, AD, MC 1372, Clock of Destiny, Moorish American, all Moroccan nationality card or identification with Zodiac Constitution, and certificate AA 222141 is the focus of the determination for the without a doubt affirming relationship of the relation.
Well, look at that. What a good little boy. I had no idea this guy could read so smoothly. Honestly, credit where it's due. He actually made it through the entire thing. We all know reading is usually a major struggle for sovereign citizens, and truthfully, this might be one of the best reading sovereign citizens I've ever seen, and believe me, I've seen plenty of them. but the way he's reading makes it sound like a poem he wrote for his mom. Affirming relation with the relationship. What does that even mean? Seriously, who came up with this script for him? I'd bet money he pulled it straight from Reddit or YouTube, because there's no chance he came up with this on his own. He's just rambling on about complete nonsense, and honestly, it's starting to give me a headache. The combination of stuttering and meaningless words is unbearable, but that's pretty much what you expect from these idiots these days. It honestly feels like his last two brain cells are fighting each other just to get through the script he wrote. But let me know what you think. Do you believe he's pretending to be dumb? Or is he actually this stupid? Let's jump back in.
Relationship properly venue as law between the Moorish Franks and all foreign Christian nations. Title 8, United States Code 1324, federally protected Moors.
What did you say about the Christian nations? What you just said about, this only applies to the Christian nations?
It says other foreign Christian nations.
Other foreign Christian nation. What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American. I'm more into being related to Moorish American ideology.
I was just trying to figure out, I was just listening. I was listening in. All right. Okay. Well, I have you checked in, Mr. Riley.
Okay.
And Ms. Haddad, are you requesting legal counsel?
No.
I don't know about you, but this sovereign citizen really seems like the kind of guy who would fart and then lean in to smell it because he enjoys it. He's the same type of kid in school who would find a piece of gum stuck under a desk and think, hey, free snack, and just eat it. And now here he is, standing in court, refusing to pay rent, putting on a full-blown performance like he's some kind of legal mastermind. Honestly, I can't get enough of how the judge is just playing with him, almost licking his fingers and waiting for the perfect moment. The judge is clearly just waiting to catch him in all his nonsense. It's like watching a cat toy with a mouse before finally pouncing. Let's dive back in and watch this clown get completely destroyed.
Yes, Judge.
Calling case number 233455509. This is Harriet Tubman Apartments versus Brian Riley and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Rania Haddad, P84927 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Mr. Riley, can you please just state your name? Let's see, I'm gonna prompt you to.
A minute. Okay. For the record, my name is Brian D. Raleigh. Hello?
All right. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you. All right, were parties able to work out some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to enter into a conditional dismissal with box 4B checked. Mr. Raley's balance due and owing is $2,088.46. He will pay he's going to pay $742 on the 5th of every month, beginning on 5/5/2023. That $742 includes his $542 of monthly rent per month, and then an additional $200 towards the balance. So he will pay on the 5th of every month, starting on May 5th, 2023, $742 until the balance reaches zero. And then after the balance is zero, he will resume his regular monthly rent.
And the regular monthly rent is $542, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So $200 extra. Is it 2088.44?
It is 2088.46.
0.46. Okay. All right. And is 4B checked?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Riley, do you understand the terms of this agreement?
Yes, I do.
All right, if you make those payments, your matter will be dismissed. In the event you don't, a judgment and a writ of eviction can be filed at the same time. We wouldn't have to come back to court. So, good luck. Wish you well. Have a great day.
There's no way this sovereign citizen is actually paying that much money every month. If he believes he doesn't need to pay $500 a month in rent, what makes the court think he's suddenly going to come up with $700? This guy is already behind on his rent. So how is he supposed to pay even more, especially when he can't even understand basic courtroom rules? But honestly, what's strange is how calmly this sovereign citizen accepted the final ruling. Most of these guys usually start shouting and losing on the judge, but this guy just sat there and accepted it like nothing happened. Maybe it's because he used all of his mental energy reading a few paragraphs from his little script and didn't have anything left to argue with. When you really think about it, it's pretty funny. These guys truly believe they can escape the law just by reading random legal-sounding nonsense they found online. In the end, the court knows exactly how to deal with them, and this guy just learned that lesson the hard way. Anyway, what did you think about this hearing? I thought the ending was really strange with how calmly he took it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll try to find a follow-up to this case if he ended up not paying, which I have a strong feeling he didn't. So stay tuned for that if I post it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thanks again. Take care, everyone.